Hi, have you decided to unblock someone on Instagram? Whether you blocked them by mistake or simply changed your mind, Instagram makes it easy to remove an account from your block list. Just follow these simple steps. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your smartphone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner to open the settings and activity menu. Scroll down until you reach the Who Can See Your Content section. Here you'll find an option called Blocked. Tap on it to see every Instagram account you've blocked. Scroll through the list and find the person you want to unblock. When you've located the correct account, tap the Unblock button beside their username. Instagram will display a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to unblock that account. Simply tap Unblock again to confirm your choice. Once the process is complete, that person will be removed from your blocked list immediately. They will be able to find your profile again, view your public posts and stories depending on your privacy settings, and send you messages or follow requests. If your account is private, they'll still need your approval before they can follow you. It's important to remember that unblocking someone does not automatically restore your previous connection. If either of you unfollowed the other after the block, you'll need to follow each other again manually. Instagram also does not notify the other person that you've unblocked them, so the action remains private. Removing someone from your Instagram block list is a quick way to update your privacy preferences and reconnect with people whenever you're ready. That's how easy it is to unblock someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more social media tips and helpful guides.